Got cup holder. Got 2 cup holders.
Oh, in there.
Got a center compartment. Yep, I bought this from Clark's Corvairs in Massachusetts during the convention. I'm gonna put it in my car.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. Alright. Let's see, I gotta clean out some crap first. Huh. Don't know what's on my belt there. Mold? Hope not.
I think you're going to get that all buggered up and put it in the green.
Fits too. Huh. Nice.
Oh, you found it?
Bring her up. What did I find? What?
Where was your camera?
I don't know. I found it.
Where did you find
Don't
it?
worry about it. I found it. Jeez.
Someplace stupid.
I think that's mold. I don't know what the heck that is.
Yeah, with the bowl?
Oh my god.
Yeah,
I was like, this is exactly why I don't like people. And then my dad.
I mean, how
and
stupid!
If it was, you know, for $100, hell no. Maybe 1,000. I'd probably call my parents and be like, Mom, I could win $1,000. Oh, $100.
Oh.
And then my dad just said to me, he's like, you know what? Sometimes you just can't fix stupid. I was like, you know what? Absolutely right.
I told him
All right.
about it.
That's it. I'm gonna crank this baby up and on the road we go. Crank.